Alright, Ted, so here's a quick little screencast here that'll show you how to upload your recording file to your drive. So here I am in my Google Drive. All I have to do is just go to where it says Drive. So if you click on like your little Google Docs, you can go to like your email and all these different places, and your Drive is one of them. So once you're in here, you click on New, and you hit File Upload. And then from there you can select your file in your folder from all the different things that were saved on your computer. So I'm going to pretend like this is our file. I'm going to hit open, and it will then load into your drive. So it's working, it's loading, and now it is complete. And once you've got it, you just click on it, copy this link up here at the top, and then I gotta make sure I still have it pulled up here. Here we go. You paste it right here in this highlighted section in your graphic organizer. And then just make sure you hit space, and that way it'll get hyperlinked and we'll be able to listen to it.